$407 are to be divided among A, B, and C, so that the shares are in the ratio 1/4 to 1/5 to 1/6. So the respective shares of A, B, C are. Okay, so three people share $407 in the given ratio. That is A to B to C equals to 1/4 to 1/5 to 1/6. Okay, to find the shares of A, B, and C, first I need to convert the terms of the ratio to integers, because each term is a fraction. Instead of having fraction, if the terms of the ratio are integers, it will be easier for me to do calculation. So for that, I have to find the least common multiple of the three denominators, 4, 5, and 6. So here, if I look for a common denominator for the three numbers 4, 5, and 6, so I don't think I can get a common divisor for all these three numbers other than 1. So I can get a common divisor for 4 and 6 because both of them are multiples of 2. So I can divide by 2. So 2 goes into 4 twice. And 5 is not divisible by 2. So I would write this 5 as it is. When I divide this 6 by 2, I'll be getting 3. Now there is no common divisor for all the three numbers 2, 5, and 3. And even for two numbers, there is no common divisor. So I have to stop the process. I have to multiply. So the numbers which I mark. So 2, 2, 5, 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60. So the least common multiple of 4, 5, and 6 is 60. So I have to multiply each term of the ratio by 60 to convert the terms into integers. So I multiply the first term 1/4 by 60 and 1/5 by 60 and 1/6 by 60. So 4 goes into 4 1 times, 4 goes into 60 15 times, 5 goes into 5 1 times, 5 goes into 60 12 times, and here it's 1 times is 10 times. So I get 15 to 12 to 10. So the shares of the three peoples A, B, and C are in the ratio 15 to 12 to 10. Now all the terms in the ratio are integers. Okay, from the terms of the ratio, if we want to get the share of A, share of B, and share of C, I have to multiply all the three terms of the ratio by the same non-zero number, say X. So the share of A is going to be 15X, and for B we have 12X, and for C we have 10X. So now I got the share of A, B, and C. So if I add the shares of all the three people, that is 15X positive, 12X positive, 10X. So I'm adding the shares of all the three people. So it must be equal to the amount they are dividing, that is $407. Okay, 15X plus 12X is going to be 27X, 27X plus 10X is going to be 37X is equal to 407. So to solve for X, I have to divide both sides by 37. So this 37 will cancel out. I get X is equal to 11. Okay, now to get the share of A, I have to multiply this 15 by 11 because we got the value of X is 11. So if I plug in X is equal to 11, so it will become 15 times 11. So 15 times 11 is going to be, 1 second, it's 165. And to get the share of B, I have to plug in X is equal to 11 into this one. Then I'll be getting 12 times 11, which is 132. And to get the share of C, I have to plug in X is equal to 11 into this one. Then I get 10 times 11, which is 110. Okay, now I got the shares of A, B, and C. The share of A is $165, and the share of B is $132, and the share of C is $110. So the correct answer choice is option A.